and welcome. I'm Singh Joy Indicator P and you're watching Mainstream at 6. Unfortunate officers from the Forest Department destroy houses upon hearing the news of people cutting down trees in forests and illegal construction of house at Deforestation Road, Tamilbari. In a situation of corona, while people are facing short of oxygen, the eye-pleasing and greenery of forests at Deforestation Road are in verge of deforestation in order to form a village by some incautious people. Meanwhile, if there's a continuous destruction of trees and forests, people would face a big scarcity of oxygen to breathe in the future, and people should come forward in order to protect the forest, said the officers of Forest Department.
La chu malom la lockdown ching mera long la dang itung ta sap na komre ma homguard pini da bedet masi la hak la pini tum daglom amuni tum mama tum ne la da theng piarong hadi aju ba na long ang son rok pon lo itum da loge ni tum da action en lo recovery dun lo sida itum da men li tum tong the po kat lap ti lo nasi non pijo pen la so pot bangla tum bangke non bangke ako hem rong chi kim ye sang si theglong lo lapu mithang pilar che somrep si amu rong pula son chipi lo na tum da tora ra theglong nasi la son si la tum mane pijo pen chepeng si la tum mane pa la son si dom pang thai bom lo angke hem da i hum ni kim lo nasi ni tum da phanghodun bom le he tala tum da pijo men li thong che lo masila tum ke no ga hem da long dom pathe du ma sini tumda la pukolo basela dia phu ching wai sini tumda la dia phu ben mane ka program kuri lo la so prang na tum phong claim lo eviction aso area hai apu area bang amase non bang la pu bang fresh area lo hai masila lasi la pura ko na tum la ko la kado we range all range ni east west division bu jibu lo hai kado we range an room si ni tum la dak ni la eviction jointly claim lo la pen success lo ado lang ni tumaro claim lang la pu bithe ta bute nasino nale tumda hedi ni le bang na tum media hana chu ri gala lo ituma pi the la an listing han thi theng sang ke ong aso greenery je bang tum bang e protect nai lage kado we forest pon pupelo anutina bang pu tumda la so bang responsibility and la protection bang nang chiram thak bang lo ni bang the itum non pi the long crisis do pi non la hai covid la hai long da tum thaglong lo bang hiara dim gela an la oxygen na phan ko an lo ne ti bang ong lo ni a chi the e bong bo a chi the mu phanda pini nang lo da la si tum bang e tum adim tum ang long ge ana kang chu lang non da an thi thang phang an ke melang an greenery ko ong la da ke la tum tomon da tum ge wang phun samdop la hai ge tum han chi the bong lo ma ti di thi thang phang lo si tum ge la hai thi thang phang phang ge tum ge anana rong the pe ge papi long le da rai tum bang ka do we ra che rap che tora kham nang punong ge.
During a press meet held at Diffu on June 4 called by the APHLC party, the leaders of the party spoke about the possibility of ASGC and APHLC to get united. Through a press meet held at Diffu, APHLC leaders spoke about the possibility of ASGC and APHLC to get united and will soon work on the long demand and wish of the people of both the district of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao with a single aim and objective as a one party.
Pet pun itu pu timung sango pu be sango atau be pu tisu sango tu pengen sango pen itu dua pelu masih formally ke kalilan sampai SDC lo mata principle semua May 4 tu election judiat pen election result itu pikir May 2 so May 4 ke standing committee tu SDC itu alam joint standing tu so ke a constituents plea tu ke thomlo SDC KSA KNCA halat data ciparai lo je resolution yang kali sampai in principles makai cingki pomelo kado kami APHLC pe jokali all regional political parties regional first man isalam non ichera tum kamang kita dengan lama ngalai no non jasmet pet cingrum nang ji pu ga la so aja kong ke bangke ta aklong na sina ara responsi bang nang tum jong si cingrum thek kelang tang ne tu ke achera pe long ke nang klem tum thek khelu son alam do lasi pu la kai ke chingki vera tom pen che thang chimum lo la si pu tum report chen lo la si report che ban si tum chi pi lo tene tum along ha grassroots level lo worker sa tum ta kanin je ke la person hello pa e si tum ta ban lo ni tum long grassroots worker tum ta la hello ke ban tang tum chin tum be kang sina.
A discussion would be held soon between the leaders of both the party about the said topic, said the APHLC leaders while interacting with the reporters. Now let's take a break and we'll be right back to show a while. chora la pok chokor jin jin tan nang na igar koi bong manai wang sarak thane pok chokor ong
ko pipo no bong
pipo lote igar koi ni pok chokor lo ti men do nang nam bidam thani chicha kon elo
ajo porto lo ke bong pharmacy jingkira po bunan ke
dam lang no hi ki long bang pu chi min ni
pok chokor do wai nang pidun tha lada ka tok 24/7 open pu zero anteng pu man
nangli tum ajat apor lapen ajat arni lewang sitame nili tum alon medical store ke 24/7 ingpu ponlo
Lahan lo Alon Medical Store, Ijeng si Karbiang Bongpen Kang Pucheng Pharmacy. Labang so pharmacy rake 24/7 ingpu lapen ajat adawai le nang jisita ladak long ponikji. Lapen kelong le adawai nang li order pikang lote prapjin pen long ponikji. Lasi Difu Medical College and Hospital opposite Alon Medical Store along nang li tumtame humring non. Anso se kachini jiapan aber kipia number along humring tame. Welcome back to the break. Now, President of 3 Development Board, namely Minority Development Board, Fishery Development Board and Block Development Committee got expelled from a post. Beside on June 4 at Hamrentan under the West Karbi Anglong District, EM and MLA of Baitalang so declared that out of the 3 Development Board, 2 of the above mentioned posts are already assigned with new president. On June 4, EM and MLA Rup Singh Turan declared that 3 of the Development Board President, namely Minority Development Board, Fishery Development Board and Block Development Committee, are expelled from the post, among which 2 of the posts, namely Minority Development Board and Fishery Development Board, are already assigned with new President Augustine Hansi and Joyce Singh Kru respectively. Meanwhile, the newly appointed President of said posts are welcomed and honored by EM and MLA Rup Singh Turan. Further, the post of President for Block Development Committee are yet to be appointed but will be appointed very soon, said EM and MLA Rup Singh Turan at Hamren while interacting with the reporters.
Minority Development Board Chairman lo lapan isinu ke bita Singh Tokbi Fishery Board Development Chairman lapan isi bang Block Chairman Sarso Tiso nasi alang tum bang thopen pijok polo alang tum bang thom pijok konde pen pi bang ke inu Sarso Tiso pan bang ke alar bang pipelang noni tum jeng pon tupo lasi bahini farmang alar pipon lo Joyce Tiso alar bang ke dak tapalong itu ilitum da Agustin Hansi pipon lo lapan Bida Singh Tokbi Fishery Board Development la so chairman bangke aprang Bida Singh Tokbi alar bangke dak so tenglong jo morcha president Joyce Singh Kru pansi pipon patolo kasi.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching Cat News.